Yeah, just coming over here. She's moving around, you know. Just so she can get a bit of sun time, you know, but she's a bit dangerous because she's the same colour as the sun. She did just cry out in pain earlier, about an hour ago. She just starts screaming. I think she's got some kind of cancer or something in her body. Yeah, that's it. You're a bloody lovely one, aren't you? That's it. Bloody lovely one, aren't you, Marpra? Hey? There's a little update for people. You know, she likes to sit on the road. But, let's hope everybody sees her when they're coming back, because she's hard to see. I'm telling you there. She could work in the. She could be like a soldier, because she can blend in just nicely there. I might put some cones round her. Yeah. Okay.